What's up guys? So the Galaxy S21 Ultra is Samsung's latest super phone, with a bunch of neat new features. So here are the top 5 features of Samsung's latest Ultra phone, that are worth a second look. Anyway, let's get started. Samsung is taking a page from the Galaxy Notes book, and introduced the S Pen on the Galaxy S lineup, for the very first time. But there are some differences though. 1. There's no dedicated slot to put the pen inside the phone, as we have on the Note, and 2. It looks totally different from the Note's S Pen. It's bigger and thicker, but has all the bells and whistles of the Note's stylus. Samsung is selling a couple of cases to carry the pen all the time, but since you're now storing the pen inside the case, it will be wider than usual. Also, there are 2 S Pens available with the phone: S Pen and S Pen Pro. The Pro has every feature, such as Bluetooth, which isn't available on the normal S Pen. By the way, unlike the Note, you need to purchase these S Pens separately. With the S21 Ultra, Samsung addressed the biggest complaint people had with the S20 Ultra, that you can't use the 120Hz refresh rate at a maxed-out QHD Plus resolution. On the Note 20 Ultra, Samsung improved the display panel by enabling an adaptive refresh rate that changes the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz depending upon the content being shows. But still, there was no 120Hz at QHD Plus. But that changes finally with the S21 Ultra. Users can now enjoy the crisp resolution with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate at the same time. The S21 lineup has a new 5nm processor, which not only is around 30% faster than last year's handsets, but is more power efficient too. Unlike previous years, you won't find any performance disparity between the Exynos and Snapdragon variants. Both will perform on par with each other. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner has finally been upgraded on the S21 Ultra. It's now 1.77 times bigger than the one on the S20 and Note 20 Ultra. Not only that, it's faster too. You don't even need to press on it, just a tap would unlock the phone. Director's View is a really cool feature for video nerds. It allows recording from multiple lenses at the same time, including the front camera. It shows the live view from all the cameras on the screen, and you can switch to any of the lenses with just a tap on it. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up.